Hey guys, this is Joy and welcome back to my channel kung saan nag-upload tayo ng videos for you to earn kahit nasa bahay ka lang. If you're looking for an online job and you have a passion for teaching, this video might be helpful for you. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please click the subscribe button below or hit the notification bell so you'll get updates every time we upload new videos. First, we have SS English Academy. So, ito po yung kanilang Facebook page. Their students are Vietnamese. For the rate, their starting rate is 110 to 150 pesos per hour for ESL, and for IELTS ay 170 to 220 pesos per hour. It will be based on your experience, skills, and performance in the demo class. Now, for the mode of payment, they're going to send it through BDO or BPI and no tax deduction as well. For the teaching approach, it's a fixed schedule and regular students. Now, dun po sa mga bago sa ESL or you would like to try applying, may mga companies kasi na fixed schedule and yung iba naman ay booking system. Ang pinagkaiba kapag fixed schedule, si company na mismo yung magbibigay sa inyo ng inyong students. And then, kapag ka-booking naman, ikaw mismo yung mag-open ng slot mo kung anong time ka available. And then, kapag ka na kita ni students na naka-open yung slot mo, and then, si student mismo yung magbo-book sa inyo. For the benefits, they do have monthly bonus for no late. First increasing rate term is after 6 months. Now, for the schedule, the working day is from Monday through Saturday. Yung working time ay from 7 p.m. to 11 p.m. They're looking for teachers who are passionate in teaching, most especially if you're going to teach yung mga kids. Sometimes you have to sing, dance. Yeah, you should be lively. Bachelor's degree, preferably in education or communication. Ayan. Dun sa mga wala pa pong online teaching experience, we do have previous videos na in-upload natin kung saan nag-hire yung companies even though wala pa kayong mga teaching experiences. So, you wanna, or kung gusto nyo pong i-check, nandun siya sa previous videos natin. Ayan, lively and engaging, at least 1 year experience in teaching online, excellent communication skills, good at using tools and Skype for teaching. Well, I would highly recommend na i-familiarize nyo po ang sarili nyo sa paggamit ng Skype or yung Zoom or any other basic tools. Kasi if you're going to apply sa mga online jobs, not just ESL, you will really need to have yung ganitong mga tools. It's really helpful. Next, device requirements, desktop or laptop. So, yung cellphones po ay not allowed. Headset with microphone and noise cancelling. Yung iba, gumagamit sila ng Crisp. Ako, gumamit din ako ng Crisp dati to reduce the noise. Next, a quiet, clutter-free, and well-lit space in your home. Pagka mga ganito, usually mga video classes po ito. Next, wired DSL internet connection of at least 5 Mbps. Yung iba, inaalaw nila kapag wireless connection, but most of the time, they make sure na dapat naka-LAN cable or dapat wired connection yung ginagamit ni teacher. To apply, you can send an email with your resume and Skype ID dito sa kanilang email, and eto po yung kanilang Skype account. Next, Air Class 1-on-1. Yung students nila ay Asian kids. The rate starting from 200 to 300 pesos per hour. Teaching approach, it's a one-on-one online English classes. Yung iba kasi is one-on-one or sometimes it's a group classes. Now, for the schedule, kapag ka-evening, 1800 to 2200, and then weekends naman ay 900 to 2100. Yung iba kasi, ito yung term na ginagamit nila kasi ito yung nakaplat mismo dun sa system ni company. Medyo nakakalito siya. So, yung iba kasi pag halimbawa 9 PM, yun din yung nakaplat sa system ni teacher. For example, 9 PM Manila time. Pero yung iba naman 1800 to 2200, ito yung nakalagay. Medyo nakakalito siya. So, yung ginagawa ko is, nagse-search ako sa Google or pwede din kayong mag-download ng clock. But, very helpful itong si World Time Buddy. Ito yung ginagamit ko kasi I can see the differences. You can set it maximum 24 or 12. So, let's say, ito yung time zone na ginagamit ng mga teachers. Let's say, sa kanila is 11 a.m. So, Manila or Philippine time, alam ko kung anong oras din sa atin. Kung 11 a.m. kasi 'di ba kapag may mga time differences, it's either morning sa kanila or afternoon sa atin or gabi. Ayan. Next, sa requirements, PC or laptop, Windows 7 or above or Mac, stable internet connection, at least 50 Mbps of wired or wireless connection. Ayan, inaalaw nila yung wireless connection and have experience teaching kids. Next, nationalities. They're looking for Filipino teachers, able to speak English fluently, can commit to working at least 4 days a week, at least 16 peak hours on both weekday evenings and weekends. May mga companies din na yung peak hours nila usually kapag weekday, gabi siya, let's say 6 ng gabi hanggang 10, but most of the time weekends. Nung nagtuturo ako ng Chinese students, yung peak hours nila talagang gabi siya, and then kapag ka-weekend, so I really make sure na kapag ka-weekends, nag-open ako ng slot ko. Kasi if not, hahabulin ko yung peak hours na required ni company. And then, pagka peak hours kasi, may additional na amount or ma-earn si teacher. Headphone with extended microphone and noise cancelling functionality sa camera, and then CPU, Core i3 5th generation performance and above, yung RAM at least 4 gig and the hard disk. Minsan kasi nasa process ka pa lang nung pag-a-apply or interview, nag-detect check sila. So, it's really important to follow this, requirement nila para hindi na masayang yung time kapag ka nag-apply. Next, if you would like to apply, you can send your resume sa kanilang email address. Now, for the third one, we do have Lazy English. Yung students nila ay Korean students from beginner to advanced level from 6 to 60 years old. Kapag ka beginner, yung iba, mostly iKids lang yung tuturuan mo. So, kailangan mo gumamit ng mga props, mag-download ng mga video effects, you have to be lively para ma-engage mo si students. Kasi yung mga students, kapag ka-kids, minsan naglalaro or they're talking to their mom or dad. Ayan. Kapag ka-advanced level naman, mga professionals na minsan, yung may encounter nyo or yung tuturuan ninyo. Now, for the rate, 192 pesos per hour, mode of payment twice a month via GCash or any bank account. For teaching approach, regular students, teaching materials are provided by the company. May mga companies din kasi na si teacher pa mismo yung magpo-provide ng teaching materials, pero mostly si company na. Next, 5 classes per week with each regular students, 25 minutes class. May mga classes naman na 10 minutes, 25 minutes, or yung pinakamahaba na is 50 minutes class. No penalties, but too much absenteeism is subject to termination. Applicants must be Filipino home-based online teachers. So they're looking for Filipino teachers, female, bachelor's degree holder. Pina-priority nila yung mga full-time teachers or evening teachers who can teach from 5 to 10 p.m. Not just part-time morning teachers. Most especially kapag madami talagang students, they wanna make sure na makikater nila lahat ng mga students. So, kailangan talaga ng mga full-time teachers. Qualifications, first, with neutral accent, fluent in both oral and written English, with at least 1 year online ESL teaching experience, stable internet connection, and with good teaching environment. Ayan. Next, computer literate, dapat you're also knowledgeable sa paggamit ng Skype, Zoom, yung mga basic features, laptop or desktop, headphones, Yung schedule nila ay available during peak hours from 5 to 10 p.m. PST, Mondays through Fridays. You must be passionate, committed, and dedicated with a heart to teach Korean learners. Yung mga Korean learners, napakasipag nila mag-aaral. Sometimes kahit nasa subway, nasa office, pauwi sila kahit nagda-drive, they really make sure na nakapag-attend sila nung klase. They just inform their teachers. Now, for monthly incentives, 7 classes you can earn 1,000 pesos, 8 to 11 classes 2,000 pesos, 12 to 15 3,000, and then 16 to 20 over classes 5,000 pesos. Before nakakapagturo kami more than 20 students. Minsan nga is we can even have 30 to 32 students sa isang araw. Kasi may kung sa BPO meron tayong workforce. Sa ibang company naman parang meron din sila yung WFM or workforce management wherein sila yung nagdi-distribute nung mga students. Ayan, mini-make sure nila na lahat ng students ay may available na teachers. And good trial class incentives up to 2,000 pesos, good feedback incentives up to 2,000 pesos. Sa good feedback naman, just make sure na you try to be more friendly, engaging, and then you really try to make or feel your students na you care for them and you really want them to really learn. After every class kasi, parang magbibigay sila ng stars or grade kay teacher. Let's say 5 stars or out of 5, ilan yung ratings nila kay teacher. And then, kapag good feedback, and then you can earn additional incentives. And dapat yung internet allowance, it's 1,000 pesos for good performing teachers with no attendance issues and full attendance on managers meetings or coaching sessions. Ayan. Si teacher kasi hindi lang naman siya yung nagtuturo sa mga students. Si teacher din is kino-coach ng kanilang manager. Yan, if there are areas for improvement, and then kung nakakakuha si teacher ng low score or may mga not so good feedback from the students. So they need to have coaching sessions then. Early bird or night owl incentive, 500 to 1,500 pesos. Yung mga teachers who open their slot from 6:30 a.m., 7 a.m., and 10:30 p.m. Ayan. Annual incentives, you can earn Christmas bonus, 2,000 pesos, birthday bonus, same amount, anniversary bonus every after 1 year of working with the company, that's 4,000 pesos. And then may special incentives or assistance din sila for teachers. Let's say for graduation, typhoon, or natural disasters. Ayan. The teacher is paid in full when the student postponed the class within 1 hour and or on student's fourth class postponement. Minsan kasi may mga students din na papasok sa klase and then nasa kalagitnaan nung discussion sasabihin nila na they cannot or they have to cut the class kasi may gagawin sila or they have to go. Ayan. May mga companies na bayad si teacher, absent, absent man si student or present, bayad sila in full. Yung iba, they have to meet at least 50% of the class. Let's say, yung class nyo is 10 minutes, at least 50%, 5 minutes, dapat makapag-class kayo ni student. Bayad si teacher, but in order for you to mark the student present, dapat at least 5 minutes of the class, makapag-discuss kayo or makapag-klase kayo ni student. Now, if you would like to apply, you have to upload this initial requirements sa kanilang Skype ID. First, video intro recorded using Zoom's recording function. Do not edit your video, walang filters, walang background music. Kapag sinend nyo siya, wala dapat links, direct or upload your video directly. Yun yung kanilang hinihingi. Updated resume. Try to make sure na yung contact number and email address nyo ay correct. Kapag email address naman, since mostly ito yung ginagamit natin kapag nag-a-apply, dapat papasok or hindi dapat full yung email address nyo. Real-time speed test screenshot, yung internet speed test, Ayan, using LAN cable. Kapag ka Wi-Fi, they're not also allowing it. And sa device specification naman, yung full screen with timestamp, meaning dapat included yung time and date.